Hello, and this is the Stock Preacher from Stockpreacher.com with another explosive stock analysis. Today we're looking at BEDA for March 5th, 2010. This is a day chart. Each candle is 1 day in trading length, and it's about 8 months in length. And we can see we have a general downtrend. I'm going to kind of draw a general downtrend resistance line. Not really confirmed, kind of all over the place, but general trend is downwards. You can see that some volume kind of came in here and pushed it up out of the resistance. This is a healthy kind of maintained our volume after we broke out, and we're able to kind of see some higher highs. We hit a high of 0025, and then we kind of moved sideways a little bit. So we did have a rising support here once we broke out. If we plot our low points, we kind of see that we had a general rising support line, and once we broke the support, we kind of moved sideways a little bit. Now we hit a high point here. This is resistance at 0025. I'm going to mark this red, and you can see here that after we kind of move sideways a little bit, we're able to touch it a second time. We've got the 100, this is the 200-day moving average that connected with it and is acting as a resistance point. So at this point, we can kind of see that we've kind of built up some momentum towards the resistance over a number of trading days. And this is exactly what kind of a trading pattern we want to see to break a resistance point. We don't want to see 1 day or a real quick spike. We want to see building up support to counteract the resistance, and we're going to see a squeezing pattern going on with the rising support and the resistance. If we continue with some strong volume, we can break out above the resistance line and hit some new highs, or vice versa. If the resistance is just too strong, we might break below and we'll retrace most likely back down to the 001 level down here. I'm just going to mark this where we had some prior trading. If we break below that, anywhere in here, we could go back to our old low. Unlikely at this point, but that is a possibility. To the upside, we don't really have too much trading going much higher, but we can see here at 006 we kind of spiked and hit a high, so I'm going to mark that as a red resistance, and we also had some higher trading just above it at 008. So watch for those levels, and never forget to miss a hot stock before it moves. Join my free newsletter at stockpreacher.com to get daily email alerts on the biggest movers in the market. I don't hold any positions in any of the stocks mentioned in this video, and stockpreacher.com has not been compensated for this video.